Hello lovely family, welcome back once again to my channel Dovi's Kitchen. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to make shawarma or pita bread. It is a bread that is used to wrap shawarma, meat or chicken. I will show you how to make it soft and foldable, so stay tuned and watch to the end. With shawarma or pita bread, you need just a few ingredients. I have here 1 tablespoon yeast, 3/4 cup of water, 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/4 cup powdered milk, and half teaspoon salt. Let's activate the yeast using some sugar and some water. The water should be at room temperature level. Stir and cover it for about 5 to 10 minutes. The yeast has proved very well. Let's now put all the dry ingredients together and mix them well. Create a space and pour in the yeast and mix everything together. Add the water in bits and mix it until you get the consistency you want. Let's now pour the vegetable oil on it and continue to knead the dough. After getting a fine dough, pour in a little oil in your bowl and put in the dough and cover it for about 10 minutes. After it has risen, flour your work surface and knead it for some time. And then divide it and make it into a ball. Roll it out until the dough is flat, like this. Let's now put it into our heated pan and cook it on both sides. Look at the outcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please like, share and subscribe. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. Let's do it once again. Shawarma or pita bread is very simple and easy to make. You don't need to buy it at the supermarket or shopping mall anymore. You can make it at home. Look out for my video on how to use it to wrap the shawarma. Look at it, it's very soft and foldable. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.